My dear, let me just you. I was going out yesterday, walking down the road yesterday. I saw one policeman stop me. Tell me, say, "Man, I give her my phone." Just like that. I give her my phone, me and check something. I was very, very scared. Oh. Ha. I just gave him the phone. He can't go through and come give me back. Like, just like that. Is this even right? In Nigeria, your phone is your private property. The Nigerian Constitution, Section 37, protects your privacy. A police cannot just search your phone without court order or reasonable suspicion of crime.
Oh yeah, you were. You say
Know your rights, but always stay respectful. Don't argue aggressively. Just ask politely. Oga, under what law are you searching my phone?
We should see.
Street problems are real, and so are your rights too. The more you know, the safer you be. Share this with someone today because anybody can be on the road meeting the police tomorrow. Alright?